that pin right there that you have your finger on.
Pull the cotter pin.
Pull this out, and then this whole hitch slides out. And that's gonna be heavy.
Yes. Okay.
Now plug this back in.
Okay.
Because this will just plug right back into the 7-way here. You want to make sure it's fully in, because then you'll see this drop with the lips on them. They'll hook.
And then that is extra.
Yes, that's just an extra. Tell me that thing just broke.
It did.
It
popped out. Hold on here.
I think it goes on this side.
It does.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
It was just wet enough to.
It wasn't popped through the whole way, or unpopped.
Which it doesn't have to be tight. I'm just used to always tightening everything, and it just.
Yeah.
That's my fault.
That's probably good.
Yeah, that'll be more than enough. Then now we'll download the app for the. You'll just see this here. That's all it is.
Oh, okay.
This is running back to your charge line back at the back.
Okay.
This is a breaker so that if for some reason something would happen, it would glitch, and then it hooks up to your power.
So what's under there?
Just a cable with an eye-hook connection.
So if we're changing out
a battery,
it just loops on.
You're just gonna all to change your battery. You're only loosening this. You're not loosening this, so you won't even have to worry about it.
And this is my subwoofer, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Depending on how much you guys use this, you might want to eventually look into an electric jack.
Yeah.
Because I'll give you one thing, after doing this all day long, it sucks.
Yeah, but you're doing all day long.
Yeah.
It's not like we're going to take this to the grocery store with it.
Yeah. Well, you could, technically.
If we have to, Walmart would be great.
Yes, Walmart would be fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So that bar has just a little bit of tension on it. Okay. So, under.
Oh, so that's for putting it back on.
That's for putting it on.
Oh, okay. So like if we're in a campsite and it's crooked.
Oh,
and it's really crooked and we can't get it on.
That's what this is for.
Okay.
And since it hooks in here, you have an even pivot point.
Really good leverage to get it in. Okay.
Sometimes those things take a lot of force.
Well, there's. Ooh, what's that?
This is whenever you get put in a bind. If you're sitting on just an uneven
really
area,
uneven, it's tight.
It's for these bars.
Okay.
Because
if it's really tight and crooked.
Yeah, you would hook this in that hole with this down. You'll come under, up over, and up. But this locks into this hole with the bar.
Yeah, just show us because that's.
Your bar would slip off, which I put too much tension on the bar. I put the jacket back up.
Well,
that's okay. I'm not sweet. I'm not gonna move.
Need some kind of maneuver, like for some reason.
I would always take them off. That's me, because you're not going 90 mile an hour down the highway.
We're just trying to back in or something.
Let's go to uncouple it. You'll take the bars off first. Let it back down.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll uncouple.
So we remove the bars no matter what. Okay.
Because
they're attached to the car. Okay, got it.
So you'll take it down.
Oh, look at the tires.
Oh yeah, it'll sink.
Oh.
It'll sink.
Oh, sorry, Carl.
You're also in a dip, so that does make a little bit of a difference.
Okay.
You're also in a dip, but
okay, there it is. Okay.
Now technically that jack is off. So say your bars are off. Whenever you're going to unhook, pull this pin out.
That holds.
Pull this coupler up and back. Okay. That's what locks this onto the ball.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side so I can see.
Yep, you're good. So that's actually goes into the U shape on the ball.
So
on and down, you'll see there's these two little ears right here.
Yeah.
That's when you know it's locked in.
Oh, so it's locked in now?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you pull it back up? Just
pull straight up and pull back.
Oh, okay, so it doesn't like actually physically click.
This is what locks that.
Oh, okay.
Because there's a small hole in both pieces here. Then you take both these up here, because you don't want them dragging along the ground. So you push this through, hook this over, and you're locked on.
That's secure. Okay.
You're locked on the ball. And then to unhook, you pull this back, and then you raise it up.
Okay,
and then
so
it's off the ball.
Do we take the foot off when we're traveling?
On this one, I would.
Yeah.
On this one, I would.
Hello?
Because, and it's the same sort of pin style as what this is.
We are at the camper grounds yet. We camper place yet.
Because all you gotta do is...
No. We're going to be leaving very soon.
Same pin.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And then that whole foot slides off. There's only one hole for it to go into.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, we were.
Makes life
we
easier.
Were going to, yeah.
Okay.
And then
So, okay.
it's always a pain in the butt finding the hole.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Take the foot off when you're traveling because it'll sit lower than this hitch.
Okay.
Anything lower than this hitch has a chance of scraping the ground. The chains does not matter if it scrapes the ground. Chains are built for it.
Okay. Okay.
These you do not want dragging because then you're gonna have to get a big block of wood to be able to put that
Okay.
to get it off the car. But just go ahead and wind it up. Put the foot off. This will physically stop whenever it is maxed out.
So that's how you should travel with it, though.
Yeah,
Not the whole way
that's physically locked out.
Now, is there a way to lock that up?
No,
Okay.
it really won't come down.
Yeah.
So you can go ahead and take the foot off.
Okay.
Same sort of pin as what this is.
Yeah.
There's only one hole in the base to go through. Then you can store this in the camper. You can store it here, wherever you would like to store it.
Can we open this?
Yes.
Sir? Okay. That's fine.
With
You
this
don't, I don't
down.
need to see it.
Because if you go up,
Yeah.
take that bar off, you pull this pin out, and you want to have this pin going this way, so nothing can come up and hit this and shoot it out, because that's your safety. for
So
this.
the pin opening should be back.
Just like that.
Yeah. Wait, where did that pin come from?
Coming out of here. This is
Okay.
with your L bracket. This
Okay.
is just a safety feature for doing for the bars.
Okay.
But you want to take this up as high as you can, get as much tension off these bars.
Okay.
And
So-
there is tension on it from here, so you're gonna have to watch yourself because it will kick and it will hurt the shins.
Okay.
Okay.
But that's taking the bar off the camper.
Okay.
That's all you have to do to take it off the camper.
Okay.
Then to take it off the,
Oh, okay. So
Head.
then you can remove it. Okay. So that's it.
and then you can throw this in the camper.
Holy crap! That hitch must weigh like.
50 pounds.
Wow.
With everything, it's 50 pounds.
Okay. So it's then that hitch comes off.
This hitch
with
will-
that big pin,
Big pin here, it comes out.
and the whole thing comes off.
Yeah,
Where
this
do you have to unplug it?
right here. That's your 7-way, and that's your one.
What do we do?
This is what it needs to look like every time you hook it up.
Okay.
Like how I told you earlier, your 7-way connection, that's where it plugs in down here. This is your wireless brake control that we showed you on the inside.
Yep.
And this strap hooks this on.
Okay.
It's not gonna come out.
Okay.
So with this, we'll just go through it all.
Okay.
Unplug it here.
Okay.
It can dangle. There's a quick connect fitting, or quick
Yep.
connect hook.
Yeah, I'll run over the other side.
Right here.
Okay. There's okay down there. Okay.
This will come off. It's a pain in the butt, of course, but
Yeah.
this hooks directly to your breakaway, so this will stay on the camper.
Okay.
Or stay on the vehicle.
Okay.
So it'll pull the pin. This cannot be connected to your safety chains, because if the safety chain breaks, it's not going to apply the brakes.
Oh, gotcha.
So it needs to be hooked in here. Just tighten it back up, finger tight. You don't got to do a wrench or anything. It'll hold itself.
So this is
Just a quick connect.
Okay,
Just to be able to
got it.
hold it on there.
Yep.
To make it easier for attaching and detaching. I'm just going to plug this back in because you don't want to get a lot of water in these.
okay.
Plug this back in. So, easiest way for me to explain these bar systems. That will take the sway out of it this way.
Okay.
Because you'll go down the road and you'll feel it going like this just a little bit.
Yeah.
Especially with the weight on it. If you're gonna feel just a little bit. These take a lot of that out of it.
Okay.
So to take them off, you want to get this as high as you can. Because
Okay.
it gets all the tension off these bars and makes your life so much easier.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump over to that side and
Okay.
show you guys.
I'm putting this in the car.